now we're on the back of that page from yesterday. It says find the values of x and y. So we're looking here. What side would be the same as this one? XP. So we would look at what? And D and N?
It would be D and N or D and L? No, okay, I see it.
For this one. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to solve an equation. So I'll write it in yellow so you know that's the one. So you have 4y minus 3 equals 57. Now we just do basic algebra. So you'll add 3 divide by 4. So you can't see anything? Oh. So there's that one. Now if we're looking over here, what would be XS? Good. Okay, same process.
Where's the oh? So where do we put 15?
Just Y. So like it's saying if you plug that 15 into here, you would get 57. Same thing over here, basic algebra. So those would be your two solutions. 15 and 3. Questions about that one? Good?
Okay. Are we doing them? Wait, which ones are we doing?
What?
So we're doing number 8 and 9? Aren't those the same thing?
Mm-hmm. Same process. Going to 8. Or do you want to see 9? Which one do you want to do? 8. Okay. So looking at 8, find the values of x and y.
No, 9, because 9 has z.
Because 9 has z. Good call. All right, so we're going to look at two angles and a side. So angle R, so this angle here, is the same as what other angle? No. F. So we know that this tells us what? What does that angle equal? But the little square in the corner tells us what? It's 90. Okay, so you can do 13y minus 1 equals 90. Do your math. I don't know that off the top of my head. 26, 52, 65, 78, 91. What'd you get? 7?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have y equals 7. So we know y. We can cross y off. Okay. Angle P is the same as what? Angle C. We know that's 28. So now there's two ways you can figure it out, actually. We know that this is 90, and that's 28. So 90 minus 28 would give you what? Or, sorry, because we're going to, this is going to be the same as this, but we don't know that angle, right? So we have to figure out what it would be. So we'll have to do 180 minus 90 minus 28 to figure out what our side's going to be. So that's going to give you 62. If my math is correct. Okay, so now we can plug that into the equation.
That means that's going to equal 11.
Well, the angle would be 62. But if you plug 11 into this, you would get 62. Then the last one is going to be a side. But which side? So we did Z, did Y. So we have to find X. So PS is the same as what? CH. So this one. So it's going to equal 39. We have 2x minus 7 equals 39. Add 7 to both sides. 2x equals 46. So there is X, Y, and Z. Good choice on that one. So now I'm going to do one of these with you. Yes. Which one do you want to do? 11? Okay. So we're going to actually draw the triangles. So oh no. What did I do? All right, we're good. So we would have Z, oh, come on. Z, M, K, and A, P, Y. Measure of angle M is 112. Measure of angle Y is 41. Measure of angle K is 13x minus 37. And the measure of angle A is 2y plus 7. All right. So now we have the triangle. And it says find the values of X and Y. So right away, we can find this one because we know the value of this angle, right? Okay, so we would have 13x minus 37 equal 41. We'll add 37 to both sides to get the 13x by itself. That'll go 77. Sorry, 78 divided by 13. 6.
So they're making me redo my English test, both of them.
Yeah, we talked about that.
Yeah.
I told you they were going to make you do it. It's all right.
They didn't
Oh, you had your IEP meeting?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Mhm.
Already got 12.
So then if we look over here, we know that this is 112 and that's 41. So you'd have 180 minus 112 minus 41. So actually, we'd have 180 minus 153, and that's going to give you 27. So now we'll plug this with that. And there you go.
Are we done?
So all I want you guys to do, those of you at home, do number 8 for me. Don't worry about 10 and 12. So try number 8 and just post a picture of it on Schoology.